everyone. We've got a regular customer here with a fairly new Volkswagen Arteon, but this dent here gives us just the perfect opportunity to show an alternative use for these lateral tension beams. Not only can these be set up each side of the dent and leave the working area free, but in an area where space is limited, like we've only got this tiny little section that we can glue on the rear of this quarter, we can still fit the beam on top here. Still enough room underneath that we can work under there if we need to. With the tail light out, there is actually a break in the sealer and a little bit of a bulge up in this corner, so it might be a little bit tighter up there than it looks. It's actually moved way more metal than I thought. I'm still getting used to how much metal actually moves when you've got a bit of tension on there as well. I like the K-bar for these sort of pulls because it's so quick and so manoeuvrable. Nice, it's brought this whole bottom corner out, so it's just about flush again. Alright, we've got the edges here brought out nicely. Now we'll go for the bulk and try and move the centre there, so a little bit of tension back on again. Let's just see if we can convince it to move just by using the crowns. Here we go, this one should be it, I think. This will move it. There we go, did you see that? Simple as that. The rear quarter on these Volkswagen looking good as gold again. Gabriel's going to be thrilled to get it back, obviously. A repeat customer, and he's been really good at referring other people to us as well. So it's brilliant that we get a chance to work on his personal car, especially since it's so new, to save him getting this quarter panel filled up full of bog. Once we're able to get the tension right in this panel, the rest of it was reasonably straightforward, which is of course what it's all about. Reading that metal, keeping that metal flow moving the way it wants to go. If you'd like a closer look at any of the tools or techniques that I've used in this repair, leave a comment below or give us a call. We can arrange a demonstration to give you a more personal introduction to these tools. As usual though, thank you guys for hanging around to the end of this one, and we'll see you on the next one.